Welcome to the course. My name is Dara and I've helped thousands of students just like you grow their business and career in this complete digital marketing course. Now in this course, we are going to cover market research, how to set up a website, email marketing, copywriting, SEO, YouTube marketing, Facebook marketing, Twitter, Quora, Google Ads, Google Analytics, Instagram marketing, Pinterest marketing, LinkedIn, Facebook ads, and app marketing. And I've designed this course to give you practical skills that you can use right away. At the end of each section is an assignment so you can implement what you have learned. Now, if you want to grow your own business online from scratch, then I would recommend you complete these assignments in sequence because they really progress in a logical order, starting with market research, setting up your website, and then driving traffic and sales. If you want to grow a particular marketing channel, let's take for example YouTube, for an existing business or to promote affiliate products, then feel free to jump ahead to that section. Each section is designed to work as a standalone course. Now, if you want to work as a freelance marketer, then you can essentially sell each of the completed assignments in the course as a service, and you can even bundle up all of these services and sell them as a package. For example, you could easily get a client to pay $500 to set up a website and install Google Analytics for them and throw in Facebook ads, and you could easily be getting $1,000 per client. Now, if you want to get a job in digital marketing, then you don't need to complete the assignments that are in the course, but you can walk into an interview and confidently say, I can do X, Y, and Z for you, and you might even be able to negotiate a better salary based on that conversation alone. So welcome to the course. Digital marketing has allowed me to create wealth and freedom for myself. So I'm really excited to share everything I learned with you in this course. So let's get started.